it Andrew and Dennis that?
Yeah.
And Mark, presumably.
Andrew's on big ears.
Mark's over the sea.
Dennis is going into the spiral mode as well, come down.
Oh, brilliant.
Shows how you get close out, doesn't it? No, he's going to go that way more than anything. They'll grab him. He's going to have a soft landing.
Right, I bet this wing collapses quick. Yep, thought so. Brilliant, well done guys.
So he had a smooth landing. Are they going to do the same? Kill the wing.
Kill the wing really quick.
Okay, no harm. That's cool. Yeah, no, you shouldn't have done that, Dennis. He's trying to give them the break.
Hey!